guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump on here before I get into this video and just say that I'm very excited about this video. I don't have any clothes on right now. Well, I have underwear on, but I don't have a shirt on because we're going to be doing face paint with a lot of what's going on, and I have to bring it down onto my shoulders so it doesn't look weird. So today's video, I don't think I've been more excited than today for this video, because it is where I recreate or try to transform into Yzma from Emperorsnewgroove, Groove, which is literally my childhood film. Lived for the movie, grew up on it, and it was just like, oh, I just lived for it so much. And I'm gonna like do a little skit when I get the makeup on. It's just gonna be so cute, and I'm so excited. And this video is in collaboration with Neo Does Makeup. Neo is a very dear friend of mine. I have on Instagram. He is super sweet, super creative. Go check him out. His handle is @NeoDoesMakeup. This collaboration is where we do or transform into underrated Disney villains. And I'm not going to say what his is because I don't know when his video is coming out or anything, but I'm going to keep it a surprise, so go over to his channel and check it out. So thank you again for collaborating with me and just being a friend on Instagram. Today's video is going to be a little bit different in terms of how I'm going about doing this video-wise. Usually I talk through it on camera, but to pay homage to the movie, a lot of it is voiced over the movie by Cusco, the main character. So I decided to go ahead and do a voiceover. So what you're going to need in order to achieve this look today: an Elmer's glue purple glue stick so you can glue down your eyebrows. Coty Airspun powder or whatever powder. This is just a cheap powder that I always used when I was in drag. You have the Makeup Forever Flash palette, great, but you don't need to buy that because I have this palette and it's a direct dupe for the Flash palette. What you want to do is you want to take this seafoam color here, the white color, the red, and the dark blue color, and lay them out on like a plate or something like this, and mix them until you get like a zombie purple gray toned, which is what I have up here. You just kind of have to mix around and figure out your proportions and stuff, but those are the 4 or 5 colors that you need to use to make the specific color of Yzma's skin. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start this video. If you guys want to know how to cover your eyebrows, I can do an in-depth tutorial on that because they are pretty snatched, and I have went through a lot of trial and error with this when I first started out doing drag and stuff, so I get it, I know how to do it, so just let me know if you guys want to know how to do that and I will make that happen for you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and start this voiceover, turn on the Emperorsnewgroove Groove, and get into this look, baby. Voiceover commence. Alrighty guys, well now what I'm doing is going ahead and putting on the concoction of the blues and purples and blahs that I mixed up on the palette with my Morphe sponge. You're probably going to ruin your sponge, so don't worry about it. It's whatever. So just go ahead and get that. And then this is really honestly the point where I was just like, what the crap's going on? Like, I look like a blueberry. So I ended up starting to put, some whites in it to kind of, lighten it up a little because it was a little too dark of a blue. Oh my gosh, look at her, she's feeling herself. But she looks like a person from the Blue Man Group, though, look at that. So you're just going to go ahead and take all of the blue stuff that you got and bring it down to your neck, and then put on the Coty Airspun, baby, and pack that on because you don't want anything to move in the future that we're going to put on top. So it's just like setting your foundation before you go on with your eyeshadows and blah blah blah. Now you're going to take the black from the Eye Magic palette and then take an angled brush and draw your eyebrows on, and just draw a pencil, very Edith Piaf, 1960s, 70s French eyebrow, and make sure that they're symmetrical, and then flick it out, and then ooh, look at her, she's feeling it, that's when you know you're feeling it. And then you take the white from the palette, from the Flash palette, and then do a brow bone highlight, and then draw with the black a semicircle from the inner corner, right above your inner corner, all the way to your outer corner, and connect it to your outer corner of your eye. Do the same thing on the other eye, and don't be afraid to be very cartoon with this. We really want it to be graphic and cartoon-like. And then what you're going to do is you're going to draw a wing, just like you're drawing the outer part of your wing, and then connect the outer part of your wing down into where the hollow of your skull is, and you can really feel it. I just follow my natural bags, because she's got designs. And then you go ahead and put the black on the eye like you're doing a winged eyeliner, and then take the purple shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and pack that onto the upper part of your eye. And then take the gray shadow from the Jack and Hill palette on the bottom row in the middle and apply that to the bottom half of your eye to really make it look sunken in. And then take a really nice charcoal black liner, and I'm just using a Wet n Wild liner, and Command Ugly Face. Alright, and then what you're going to do is take the gray eyeshadow we used for under the eyes and contour that, and really make sure to flip it up and curve it up and make it look as dramatic as possible. Go ahead and take the eyeshadow and bring it down so it'll make your face look skinnier. Move those hairs out of the way, baby, and show your receding hairline. And then you're going to draw on some extra wrinkles on the forehead, like you're upturning your eyebrows and upping your nose. And now I just took some of the black, again, the paint, and then made them more dramatic. And then this is the most transformative part, is the nose, and then just draw triangles to elongate the nose and make it look up and right. And then, yeah, and then what you're going to do is fill that in your nostrils as well. And the reason I say that it is the most transformative part is because it really makes your nose look upright and very snooty and very Yzma-like. So, yeah, and then she's filling herself.
None whatsoever.
She was feeling herself, and she cut me off a little, but you're just going to go ahead and take the eyeshadow again and draw some wrinkles around your cheek area and make it look like you just are super old. And that's about it.
Okay guys, so I am back. I just went ahead and applied some false eyelashes. You know, just some natural false eyelashes, but they're like super, like, all they are, it's just construction paper, that's all it is. So you just cut out strands. I did just 3 for each eye, and I'm not doing my hand this color because it'd get everywhere and I'm not doing it. So I'm gonna try my best to keep my hands down in my lap. So all I did was make the hat, and it's just construction paper wrapped around my head, and then I put feathers on it because she has like plumes and stuff. And then I made earrings out of construction paper as well. So yeah, this was by far the most transformative, like, makeup look I've ever done in my entire life. I'm living the nose snatch. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go over to Neo's channel and his Instagram and show some love on his post that's in collaboration with me, where he recreated one of the villains that he thinks is the most underrated villains of all time. Mine was Yzma. She deserves some more, so just, she deserves more in this life, you know what I mean? Like, she's an icon, and she was like voiced over by like a gay icon. Anyways, so go ahead and go over to his channel and his Instagram, and thank you so much, Neo, for collabing with me. And again, thanks for just being a friend and a confidant on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. I post videos every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. See you next week. Bye. Gronk, they're getting away!